Hello everyone. Let's see. I've got my voltage regulator box out today, and I'm waiting for some batteries to charge, so I figured I'd make a video about my voltage regulator box. I can make any voltage regulator you can think of out there. These are just linear voltage regulators on the small little board. So let's set up a LM7805 voltage regulator right on one of these boards. All right, this board, it has your, of course it has your input, your output, has space for your LM785. It's heat sink. It's also got a bridge rectifier in it, so you can run your LM7805 on either AC or DC right through this board. All right, so let's get everything out of the box that I need. All right, so I got the LM7805. I got my voltage regulator board, so now I need some diodes. So I got plenty of them. So I need 4 diodes. 4 diodes. All right, I'm going to need two of these blocks for input and output. Let's see what else we need. We need an LED. We got a surprise! We got a surprise, everybody. A clear LED. I have no clue what color it is. Let's use it. Alright, so now I have my... what else do I need? I need 2. Alright, let me throw those in there too. Alright, I need the 470 UF and a 100 UF capacitor. So there's my 100 UF, 50 volt. Where's my other one? What was it? 470? Is this 470? Just hanging out in the box. Yep, 470, 50 volt. I know we need some resistors. 4.7. Are there any 4.7s in here? Diodes. Let's see. I don't need that in the box anymore because it's empty. Where's my 470s? Alright. Oh, I just seen resistors. Where are they? What a mess I got in here. Oh, let's get a heat sink. Let's get a heat sink for our happy little... Here's a heat sink. There's the resistors. I'll have to check and make sure they're 4.7. All it is a pull down resistor for the LED. So I'm not too worried about that. Alright. Oops. Just one. And is that all I need? I think that's it. Yeah. Well, if anything, I got my box right here. I can dive into it and get whatever else I need. Alright, so let's crank this open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get you guys, once I open this up, I'm going to get you a lot closer so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to get my tester out. I'll do this first. I just want to make sure that's a 4.7 resistor. Pretty sure it is. Oops, gotta open it up first. Yes. It's actually 4.5, but that'll work. Stupid Chinese resistors, they have a tolerance of like 30%. It's crazy. Okay, got that all done. Now I'm going to get you closer. Get you nice and close here. I'm going to make sure I keep you guys in frame. Alright. What I like to do is put in all the lower components first. So let's put in these diodes. And make sure you put the diodes in the correct way, guys. Cathode and anode. And it's marked right on the board on which way they go. You got a line on your diode, okay, and that lines up with the line on the board right here. Can I never remember? Well, that's cathode, right? On the line side. What do I know? You guys are watching me to learn, and I don't know. Pretty pathetic, isn't it? Alright. That one more. Now this is your bridge rectifier. What this does is it converts your AC input into a DC output. Then it goes through these smoothing capacitors, hits the LM7805, and then goes right out. And this kit here that I'm going to be building, this is part of my giveaway, so be watching on the video for the numbers. I love this blue goo. It kind of like a heat dissipator, and it keeps everything nice and flat on the board. Makes your boards look a lot nicer than you know, all your components just, you know, half-assed and caulked and stuff like that. This blue goo holds it right onto the board. Works out really nice. The other thing I like about these regulator boards from IC Circuits, or IC Station, sorry, they got nice big soldering pads on the back. It's really nice. And I do have them in stock at both of those websites if you guys want a want to build one of these regulators. I gotta clean my tip. Hang on, guys. Tip's not working too well. Oh, now she's flowing nice with a nice clean tip. Okay, there we go. We got our diodes in. And that's the other thing I stress, guys. If you have pets that walk around in your shop, make sure you don't drop any of these cuttings, because they can hurt them pretty bad when they, you know, their paws hit it. All right, let's continue with the low stuff. All right, the resistor is the next low one. Alright, let's get that soldered in there real quick. Okay, and that's in there. Oops, let me cut those off. Alright, that's in there. I might as well put the LED in. Where's my positive? That's positive. And that's negative. Okay. Where's my blue goo? And oh, and if you guys don't know what the my winter giveaway is all of these kits this winter that I build here on DIY Electronics, I'm going to be giving them away free to whoever can guess what number I'm thinking of. It's usually like 15 numbers long. I might even shorten that up because a lot of people aren't watching too many YouTube videos right now. I don't know why, but I think I might shorten it up just a bit. So I need 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How'd the count? A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. Alright. These little pins here are all your output pins, auxiliary output pins if you want to use them. They're just marked positive and negative. If I can get my fingers to work and get them in there. Alright. Let's get it soldered in. Clean the tip again. Let me switch that around so I don't get a bridge. And I need more solder. So yeah, just right after the holidays, not too many people are watching YouTube. I guess they're still out playing with their new toys. Maybe later this winter I'll get more subscribers and more views. Ring that bell. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. You know, the typical mumbo jumbo of us YouTubers. Okay, so let's put on these end pieces. Whoops, that's backwards, Gary. Put one there. Put one there. Well, I'm going to have to do it one at a time. Yep, see, fell right out. It'll only take a second. Alright, let's get that other one in. Sure I don't put it in backwards. Ouch! That's hot! Hot stuff! Watch it, kids! I'm supposed to be teaching you, and look at me, I'm burning myself. Am I actually teaching you, or am I just giving you some entertainment value here? Hope a little bit of both. Some of you guys didn't even probably know that there was little tiny regulator boards like this. These are pretty cool. I use a lot of them. Pretty nice stuff. Alright, let's put those two caps in. Make sure you put them the right way. There's the 470. And we got the 100. That down. Okay, here we go. Hang on, guys. Got to get rid of that bridge. Darn it. There we go. No more bridge. All right. Okay, here's my heat sink. Nope, I need a screwdriver. Hang on, children. Oh, okay, kids, I'm back. I'm going to cut the screw down a little bit. This screw is awful long. I'll cut it down after I get it in there. Where the heck I found that screw? Whew. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not even on the foot. Jeez. I'm just screwing on the heatsink. See, the screw is a little bit too long for that heatsink. I'm going to cut it off. There we go. That's better. All right. Pop that right in there. Get my blue glue to hold it in place. Let's get her soldered in there. Cut these legs off so they don't short out on anything. Alright, guys. That is, let me just focus you guys a little bit. That is how I make a LM7805 on one of these IC station regulator boards. It's really easy. You just need, you know, two inputs, 4 diodes, a LED, 1 resistor. You can put these pins in there. Of course, you need the 7805 and a couple of caps, and you got yourself a nice little power supply. It's not a switching power supply. It's just linear, but that'll help you, you know, charge up a cell phone or, you know, power up one of your projects. And then all you need is a, you know, what I use is, I'll show you right here. Oh, bring it over. I just use a 16 volt 25 volt amp transformer, and it works perfectly. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause you guys. I'm going to set up my breadboard over there. We're going to power this up and check the output. Be right back. I should have set that up before I started this, but stand by, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I think I got all my parts together here. Let me just focus you guys. What do we got? What do we got? So, I got my 16 volt transformer, and I'm going to put that, and it's marked right here on the board, in and out. Okay, so I'm going to put my 16 volts VAC into the voltage regulator. Which most likely, when it comes out of the rectifier that's built onto this board, it'll probably be about 13 volts hitting hitting the LM7805. All right, so get this set up here. I'm going to, on the output, let's see which one's my positive. That's my positive. Just tighten it down. All right, and the other side is my negative. All right, let me get some power over here. Got my power, and I knocked over half the shit over there. Oh, I shouldn't have said that S word. I gotta find that. Hey, it's a blue LED. Isn't that awesome, guys? I was wondering what color that was. Okay, so now we've got a nice blue LED here, and let's see what the voltage is coming out of this. So I got my little voltmeter here on the breadboard, and let's see what it is. 5.1 coming out of that. So you got 16 volts VAC coming in, going through the regulator board, and it's coming out 5.1 volts. I wonder if you can you guys see that? If not, I'm going to zoom you in so you can. And I'm going to focus you. So I got the regulator that I built. 16 volts coming in on this side. Oops. I'm gonna try to. Where the heck where are you guys going? All right, here we go. So, anyways, regulator, 16 volts coming in, 5 volts coming out, and it's right there. And you got a nice blue light. Now, again, guys. This is part of my winter giveaway, so if you want this regulator, watch the video all the way through, or you might have already seen it, I don't know. Guess what number I'm thinking of, and if you do guess the number right, I will send that to you for absolutely free. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, ring that bell, subscribe, thumbs up. Whatever other buttons on there you can hit them. Alright? Because it's all about you. Thanks, guys.